Yawning isn't just about being sleepy. Did you know it also happens when you're bored, anxious, or even empathetic? That's right. Yawning is linked to social bonding. When you see someone yawn and you yawn back, it's called contagious yawning. And it's more common among people who are close to each other. Even some animals, like dogs and chimpanzees, yawn when humans do. Scientists believe it may be tied to empathy. So the next time you yawn because someone else did, maybe it means you're emotionally connected.